Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you exactly where Google Chrome bookmarks are stored on Windows computer. So let's get started. So firstly, open Google Chrome. Now click on three dots. Here you will see. Click on it. Go to bookmarks and list. Here you will see all the options. Bookmark this tab. Show bookmark bar. Show all bookmarks. Here you will select bookmark manager. Click on it. Now click on other bookmarks. Here you will see all of your bookmarks will be there. If you want to remove any of the bookmark, click on three dots and click on delete. It will be deleted. If you want to export bookmarks, click on three dots. Here you will see export bookmarks. Click on it. Now you will select the folder where you will save the file. The file will be HTML file. Then click on save. Now you will see your bookmark file will be saved there. Here it is. That's it. Now you know exactly where Chrome bookmarks are stored in Windows and how to back them up. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.